I have this thing where I don't take myself too seriously. I think it helps day to day to be laid back, but when in the larger picture of my life, I'm not the main focus. I experience myself passively. What do I mean? I moved halfway across the world from home, and I can't even see the significance of that. The last 2 years I've been in Finland, I was sure about what I was sent here to achieve, and I set off in its pursuit immediately. Meanwhile, how I understood myself stayed dormant. I was kind of like a dog digging for a bone. I knew satisfaction lied in the bone of my pursuit, so I flipped every piece of that over. I burnt out from exhaustion, and the ice of winter kept me capsulized inside myself. Living like a dog, I performed any number of tricks for validation. I went anywhere for beautiful promises like love and comfort, without any concern about where my head landed. I couldn't plan for a future beyond a failure. Tried the same thing over and over again. The worst part is that it was like being a dog without a leash, a dog without a mat. I felt every rejection sink me deeper into an early grave when tears welled in my eyes.
Where do we go from here? It's not our job to know. Had it all
Green trees and green grass retold to me who I was when the green rejected me. When everything is stripped away from me, the only thing I still have is breath. You'd have to kill me to take my breath away, but will I still possess it? Possess it. I'll try. Otherwise, I'm as good as a cockroach laid on its back. That's what I have to say for now.